Using Zebra setup utilities to send firmware to your printer for Zebra Designer Driver version 8. The Zebra setup utility can be used to send a file to the printer. To send a file, perform the following steps. Open the Zebra setup utility. Select your printer from the installed printer list. Click on Open Printer Tools. Select Driver Settings and click Settings. There are options to either send a file or send the file to the printer. Under Send File, click the ellipses and point to the location and name of the file you want to send. Once the correct file name and path are displayed, click Send. If your printer model has a data light and front panel display, you will see an indication the file was received. With larger files, the data light will continue to flash until the file is complete. It's very important that you allow the firmware download process to complete before taking any system or printer action. Interrupting the printer during a firmware download could cause unexpected consequences. Once the download is complete, there are verification and decompression steps that may occur without any indication. Wait for the printer to restart and print a configuration label. You can confirm the new firmware version on the configuration label. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to use your ZT230 printer.